Okay, so we're going to solve literal equations, and literal equations just have to deal with letters instead of numbers. So to solve literal equations, you always do the inverse operation to get the asked variable by itself. So I kind of started. So if we look up here, number 1, it says g, and it says 5g plus h equals 9. So I want to get g by itself. So I have 5g plus h equals 9. I will subtract h. I have 5g equals 9 minus h, and remember the inverse operation here is it's multiplying, so the inverse would be dividing, and we can say g equals 9 minus h over 5. So that's problem number 1. 2, we have 8t minus r equals 12t, and it's asking us to get t by itself. So to get t by itself, I'm going to first subtract 12t. And 8 minus 12, we're going to have negative 4t minus r equals 0. Add r. Negative 4t equals r. And remember, I want to divide by negative 4. And t will equal r divided by negative 4. Or we can write this as t equals negative 1/4 r if you want to write it like that. Alright, question number 3. It's 3ax minus n divided by 5 equals negative 4. And we want to get x to be by itself. So first step, we want to multiply by 5. So 3ax minus n equals negative 20. Then I want to add n. 3ax equals negative 20 plus n. Now I want to get x to be by itself, so I'm going to divide 3a. And I know x equals negative 20 plus n divided by 3a. So they look funky, but what I like best about literal equations, say I wanted to find my answer, I want to know what x equals, and I know what n and 3a equals, so I can just plug everything in here, solve, and it gets me x right away. It's just kind of a shortcut. So number 4, we have 3x plus 5y equals 12. We want to solve for y. This is very important in algebra right now. This is a standard written equation, and we always want to get it into slope-intercept, which is y equals. So first we want to move over our x term, so we're going to subtract 3x because it's positive. And I'm going to have 5y equals negative 3x plus 12. Then I'm going to divide by 5. Now I'm going to do this one a little different. You can write y equals negative 3/5 x plus 12 over 5. Or you could rewrite this and just say y equals negative 3x plus 12 over 5. Either one works. This one is the more algebraic way to write and kind of what we want more. So much fun, right? 5. We have 2x plus y equals negative 4. This one's a quick one. Just subtract 2x. And y equals negative 2x minus 4, or you can write as y equals negative 4 minus 2x. Either one doesn't matter. For 6, we have 2x minus 3y equals 9. We want to solve for y again, so minus 2x. Negative 3y equals 9 minus 2x, divided by negative 3. I'm going to divide everybody by negative 3. So 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Negative 2 divided by negative 3 would be a positive 2/3 x. Fractions are our life sentence here. And the last one, 7. We're going to solve for y again. So we have negative 6x equals negative 2y minus 4. I'm going to add 4. And I'm going to divide everybody by negative 2. And negative 6 divided by negative 2 is 3x. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. And that's y. And that's literal equations in a nutshell.